Hi guys, good morning everyone. Huba Huamantas. For today's video, I would like to say thank you to Madam Chari for making my beautiful kilay, no. So this kilay is made last night, no, and then it's for me it's perfect, and you can choose what kilay design you want, and it's very perfect. And also ang ang product na gigamit ani, or what we call this, from Australia gid siya guys, no. And then um ang nag ang nagbuhat sa ani, or ang naghimo sa kong kilay is she also study, no. So more on that, i-PM na lang ko ninyo. And basta ang ngalan ani nga kilay, it's a combination of micro shading and um, micro shading and micro blading, ombre. So, ang iyang ingredients ani guys, o ang gigamit ani is from Australia gid nga mga product. No, so lami kay akong tulog nakahagok jud ko guys, no. So kung gusto mo magpaano, PM lang mo guys, and very affordable ra kaayo ang price, no. So again, we have still the turmeric soap na whitening, available pa siya guys, and also the barley. And wala pa na ako na, kung gusto mo kung katong nag-order, na ako naman gihipos ang mga gipa-reserve na nako guys, ipawrot lang sa agad nako ni, because I will make another ingredients for whitening, and dili sa nako siya isulti kung what ingredients na pod akong gamiton. So nana ni mga tag-iya, pero they are still busy, so wala lang sa nako gipa-deliver, no, kay naapapoy sabon si Madam, akong isa ka client, no, sa atong essential beauty soap na maka-remove sa dead skin and maka-moisturize always sa atong skin, and dili gid siya harsh sa atong skin. It's because it's for sensitive skin. And pwede naman po mo mag-comment if you want to order from another place, kay dili pa nako ni siya ma-send. It's because busy pa pud ko. Pero within CDO lang pwede raman ipa-GNT, and then another place, or another besides Mindanao or Luzon, pwede ra GNT, no. And also ang kaning coffee, ako ni siya, ang coffee, ang ingredients ani is whitening, no. So I made coffee whitening using whitening soap, no. So just follow me on Emmy Gali sa akong page, para pwede ra pud mo diri mag-message sa ako ang main Facebook, which is the Emmy Gali Explores. And so much for that, just PM me sa interested, because it's only limited stocks na guys, no. Ako ra ni siyang ipahurot, and I'll make another batch for another ingredients, no. So and also na another one is na ako'y i-promote nga another na ako pohon, another dili sa ko mag no, but I would like to make another project, but dili pa nako siya mapagawas, but naan ako'y name on it, na ako'y brand name. It's my name, combination of my name, my daughter, and my son. So this one, the MGA candle, MGA hand poured candles. This is named from me to my daughter and to my son. So mo ni siya guys, MGA. So coming soon, but dili pa nako gid na siya ma-post, no. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Moi moi.